Hi guys, welcome to Wesbytes channel. My name is Hong Hong. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use our control panel after you purchase a Linux VPS with us. So let's get started. Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Linux KVM VPS with us, Wesbytes. Right, so first, we go to our wesbytes.com, which is our website here. Then we go to the login. Right, so to log into our account, we need to enter the email address here, and then you need to type in your password. After that, just click on the login button. Alright, so after you log in into your account, it will show you for the client homepage here. Okay, so at here you can check your invoices. Okay, and to access to your KVM VPS, we go to services here, click on it. Right, and then we go find for our KVM VPS, which is this one. Okay, so we click on the product name. Instead of this link, we click on product name here. After that, then you will go to the manage product page here, and at the top here you can see for the registration date, recurring amount, billing cycle, and so on. Right, so it's stated top here, and also you can see here is stated active. So means that your Linux KVM VPS is activated. Right, so you scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, right, so now I will explain the function in the VPS management here. Okay, for the KVM VPS. So now I'll explain the function at the VPS management here. Okay, so for the KVM VPS. Okay, so first we go to the hostname. So for the hostname, you can change the hostname here by typing a new hostname and then just click on the change hostname button. Right, and just remember you need to power off and start your VPS after you click on the change. Okay, then next, which is the change password. Okay, so same as the hostname, you need to enter a new password and then just re-enter again. Okay, after that just click on the change password button. Okay, also need to power off your VPS and power on your VPS. Alright, then next we go to IPs. So if you previously just purchased one IP, so it will show one IP address here, okay, as your primary IP. So if you purchase multiple IP address before, so it will show you a list here, and you can choose whichever you want to make it for your primary IP. Okay, so you also can change your primary IP by select another to become your primary IP. Okay, so after you click on this button, and also remember to power off your VPS and start your VPS. Right, so next we go to OS reinstall. Okay, so if you want a clean installation or you want to reprogram your OS system, so you can do it by reinstall OS here. Okay, so for the KVM VPS, we currently have Ubuntu, Debian, and CentOS. Okay, so each one have different version. Okay, so you can select the version that you want. Okay, so after that just type in your password and retype again your password. Okay, after that click on the reinstall button. Right, so next we go to control panel. Okay, so you can install a control panel at your VPS, but just a reminder, for each control panel have different requirement for your OS. Okay, so you need to check carefully for each control panel, is it suitable for the OS you are installing now. Okay, so that's for the control panel. And then next we go to the monitoring here. Right, so as you can see here, we can see the CPU usage, alright, and the memory RAM usage also. Okay, so you can check on your hard disk space, also your network speed. Right, so you can check the info at here. So this is for the monitoring. Right. And then next we go to the logs here. Okay, so right, so for the logs we can check the status whether it's successful or not. Right, and also the task as well as the date and time. Alright, so that's for the logs. And then next we go to the self shutdown. So if you want your VPS to shut down itself, you can give a timeline here. Okay, so you can set a timer by giving the time, the hour, minute, and then you click on the save, right? So the VPS will shut down by according to this timeline given. Okay, so this is for the self shutdown. Then next we go to the reverse DNS. Right, so for this you can enter your domain name here, right? Then just click on the add reverse DNS button. Then it will point back to this IP address. Okay, so for the RDNS, it's important for the email purpose. So if you didn't configure your RDNS, the email system will block the email because they don't know where the IP is sent from, right? So RDNS is important for the email purpose if you want to use your VPS to send out email, right? So just take note on that. Okay, so that is the last one for the function. Okay, so that's all for the VPS management function. Alright, so now I will go to install a control panel. So we go to control panel here, okay, and you will see here got the several control panel, and for each control panel the requirement is different. Okay, so you need to check before you install. Okay, so I go to install a Vesta CP, and the requirement is for the CentOS is 7.9, right? So the CentOS 7.9. Okay, then we go to click on Vesta CP. Okay, and it will take up to 90 minutes. Okay, click on OK. Right, so click on OK again. Then we close this. Right, and then we go to stop our VPS. Okay. So after that, then we restart our VPS. Okay. Click on OK button, and then we will start the VPS. Okay. So you will see here from offline turn to online status, right? So and then we can go to access our VPS by clicking this PNC. Okay, then we click on Launch HTML5 PNC client. Alright, so and then we go log in into our account. Alright, so with the command ls, you can see the file. Right, so you can see got the ins_vesta.log. Right, so with this file means that the Vesta CP is installing. Okay. So if you want to check the swap and the memory usage, so you can type in this command free -m. So this is the swap and the memory usage. You can check it here. Okay. So if you want to check the Vesta CP install progress, okay, so you can type in vi, okay, then ins_vesta.log. Okay, so just enter. Okay. Right, so and then you will see the Vesta CP is installing. Okay, so right, so the Vesta CP now is installing. So after the Vesta CP is complete install, and then you can use the Vesta CP in your VPS. Okay, so that's all for this part, and thank you for watching.
Alright guys, so now you know how to use our control panel after you purchase a Linux VPS from this video. So if you still have any question you wanna ask, you feel free to leave it down below, and also hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye!